Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the Vivaldi web browser for desktop version 6.4, which is the latest release, has received its second point release update, which rolled out earlier today on the 9th of November. Now, the big one with this, obviously, is it includes security improvements from the Chromium project, which the browser is based on. And Vivaldi also says some key fixes have rolled out from their side for the browser. Now, just to have a look quickly at those key fixes before we have a look at the security issue that's been addressed. If you are using Vivaldi's calendar that's built into the browser, apparently there was no scroll bar in the template dialog, so that has been addressed. And then if you are using speed dial, apparently on speed dial navigation there was a crash. And as I always say, any fix that addresses a crash is an important fix, so that's an important fix that is rolled out. And then if you are using quick commands in the browser, search results weren't highlighted after scrolling with a mouse. So that's a fix that's rolled out for quick commands. And then the tabs, apparently some URLs were breaking the rendering of tabs, so that's another fix that's rolled out. So as Vivaldi says, some key fixes from their side for the actual browser. Now, because we are also dealing with Chromium security updates, to double check your browser's up to date, we head to help, check for updates. If you are using Windows, this will apply. And then just to get to those versions, we head to the help and about page, and the browser bring in those bug fixes and improvements bumped up to version 6.4.3160.42. And then, as mentioned, the Chromium platform still on version 118, but nonetheless, that's been bumped up to 118.0.5993.138 and includes one high-risk security fix that's rolled out. So that fix is rolling out to address a high-risk vulnerability, which is a use after free, which is a common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. So just double-check if you are using Vivaldi that it's up to date, because it will address that high-risk security vulnerability and also bring those key fixes to the browser. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.